Welcome back to the Moto Stylist channel. Today, we're going to show you 7 of the most badass and beautiful bobbers for 2023. Number 1. Curtis One. Curtis One is a luxury electric motorcycle that reimagines motoring as easy, safe, and accessible. It is designed and handcrafted by Curtis Motorcycle Co., a company that traces its roots to the first aircraft built by Glenn Curtiss in 1909. The Curtis One features a minimalist design with modular carbon fiber and aluminum girders, a race-proven Racetech monoshock suspension, and a powerful 217 horsepower electric motor that can reach speeds of over 200 miles per hour. The Curtis One also boasts a long-range battery that can last up to 280 miles on a single charge. The Curtis One is part of the 120-year anniversary collection, which celebrates the legacy of Glenn Curtiss and his vision of innovation and excellence. The Curtis One is available for pre-order now, with delivery starting in 2022. The price of the Curtis One starts at $115,000. Number 2. Triumph Bonneville Bobber. Triumph Bonneville Bobber is a classic motorcycle that combines authentic, innovative, and thrilling design with pure brutal beauty. It is based on the legendary Triumph Bonneville, but with a more contemporary and minimalist style that appeals to young riders. The Triumph Bonneville Bobber features a liquid-cooled, 8-valve, SOHC, 270 degrees crank angle parallel twin engine that delivers 76.9 horsepower and 78.2 lb-ft of torque. It also has a tubular steel, twin cradle frame, a twin-sided fabrication swing arm, wire-spoked wheels, and a brushed stainless steel 2x2 twin-skin exhaust system. The Triumph Bonneville Bobber has a high specification that includes a torque assist clutch, a 6-speed gearbox, ABS, switchable traction control, ride-by-wire, 2 riding modes, LED lights, and an adjustable single seat. The Triumph Bonneville Bobber is available in 4 colors: jet black, cordovan red, matte storm gray, matte ironstone, and morello red. The price of the Triumph Bonneville Bobber starts at $13,795 and it is available for order now. Number 3. CCM Spitfire Bobber. CCM Spitfire Bobber is a hand-built British motorcycle that blends classic bobber style with modern performance and quality. It is based on the CCM Spitfire, a lightweight and agile bike with a high-strength steel trellis frame and a 600 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine. The Spitfire Bobber has a stripped-back and minimalist look, with a low-slung dual exhaust system, a floating tractor-style saddle, a low rear subframe, and Avon Cobra white wall tires. The Spitfire Bobber also has a high specification that includes adjustable Marzocchi upside-down forks and black YSS shock, Brembo brakes, mid-position foot pegs and controls, ABS, switchable traction control, ride-by-wire, and 2 riding modes. The Spitfire Bobber is part of a limited edition of 500 individually numbered bikes that celebrate the heritage and innovation of CCM. The Spitfire Bobber is available in 4 colors: Blackout, Stealth, Chrome Edition, and Maverick. The price of the Spitfire Bobber starts at £10,585 and it is available for order now. Number 4. Indian Scout Bobber. Indian Scout Bobber is a modern take on the iconic bobber style, with blacked-out features, barely tamed power, and an aggressive stance. It is powered by a liquid-cooled, 1,133 cubic centimeters V-twin engine that delivers 95 horsepower and 72 lb-ft of torque. It also has a 6-speed transmission, electronic fuel injection, ABS, switchable traction control, ride-by-wire, and 2 riding modes. The Indian Scout Bobber has a low-profile, 2-tone seat, street tracker handlebars, bar-end mirrors, and chopped fenders that give it a minimalist and muscular look. It also has a 41mm telescopic fork and dual shocks for suspension, and single 298mm discs with dual piston and single piston calipers for brakes. The Indian Scout Bobber has a seat height of 25.6 inches and a weight of 555 pounds. The Indian Scout Bobber is available in 4 colors: Thunder Black Smoke, White Smoke, Maroon Metallic Smoke, and Alumina Jade Smoke. The price of the Indian Scout Bobber starts at $11,999 and it is available for order now. Number 5. Veitis Ev-Twin. Veitis Ev-Twin is an all-electric motorcycle that reimagines the classic bobber style with zero emissions and ease of use. It is hand-built in Britain using exclusively British components and the latest electric motor technology. The Veitis Ev-Twin uses the Ev-Twin registered powertrain developed by Veitis for greater energy efficiency and enhanced power management. It has a continuous power output of 11 kilowatts, but a peak power and torque that result in superb acceleration and a top speed of 70 miles per hour. The Veitis Ev-Twin has a range of up to 100 miles and can be fully charged in 3 hours and 45 minutes. The Veitis Ev-Twin has a high-tensile steel frame and rear swing arm, Seriani forks with full damping adjustment, Brembo brakes, and a low-profile leather seat. The Veitis Ev-Twin has no gears, no clutch, and no powertrain maintenance. The Veitis Ev-Twin is available for pre-order now, with delivery starting in 2022. The price of the Veitis Ev-Twin is £40,000. Number 6. Harley-Davidson Sportster Iron 883 and Iron 1200. Harley-Davidson Sportster Iron 883 and Iron 1200 are two models of the iconic Sportster line, which has been in production since 1957. Both bikes have a classic bobber style, with blacked-out features, low seats, chopped fenders, and drag-style handlebars. Both bikes are powered by air-cooled V-twin Evolution engines, but with different displacements, 883 cubic centimeters for the Iron 883 and 1,202 cubic centimeters for the Iron 1200. The Iron 883 has a compression ratio of 9:1, a bore and stroke of 3.000 and 3.811 inches, and a maximum torque of 54 ft-lbs at 3,750 rpm. The Iron 1200 has a compression ratio of 10:1, a bore and stroke of 3.5 and 3.8 inches, and a maximum torque of 73 ft-lbs at 3,500 rpm. Both bikes have a 5-speed transmission, a chain primary drive, a belt final drive, ABS, switchable traction control, ride-by-wire, and 2 riding modes. The Iron 883 has a fuel capacity of 3.3 gallons and a weight of 545 pounds. The Iron 1200 has a fuel capacity of 3.3 gallons and a weight of 547 pounds. The price of the Iron 883 starts at $9,499 and the price of the Iron 1200 starts at $10,499. Number 7. Ducati XDiavel Dark. Ducati XDiavel Dark is a sport cruiser motorcycle that combines the performance and technology of Ducati with the essential matte black color of the cruiser world. It is based on the Ducati XDiavel, but with a total black livery that extends to the mechanics and finishes, enhancing the Ducati reduced to the max design principle. The Ducati XDiavel Dark is powered by a liquid-cooled, 1,262 cubic centimeters L-twin engine that delivers 152 horsepower and 92.9 lb-ft of torque. It also has a 6-speed transmission, a belt final drive, a steel tube trellis frame, a single-sided swing arm, Marzocchi forks, and sack shock for suspension, Brembo brakes, ABS. Switchable traction control, ride-by-wire, and 3 riding modes. The Ducati XDiavel Dark has a low seat height of 29.7 inches and a weight of 545 pounds. The Ducati XDiavel Dark has a forward riding position with adjustable foot pegs and handlebars. The Ducati XDiavel Dark has a fuel capacity of 4.8 gallons and a range of up to 200 miles. The price of the Ducati XDiavel Dark starts at $20,995 and it is available for order now.